Hello crazy coders. In this video we'll talk about why Java is so popular, and it has been popular so many years, and we'll try to answer this by going through four aspects of this programming language, which is history, philosophy, power and market. And in the history section we talked about who created it, when, initial releases, initial features. In the philosophy section we talked about why it's different, why it's unique, ideology and principles. So in the power section we'll talk about today in this video we'll talk about a power section, and in the upcoming video we'll talk about market section. So in the history video we talked about the creators of Java, the naming history, the origin of Java logo, which is Java coffee, and also the name Java Island was taken, and also the timeline of various events on Java history. In the philosophy video we covered a Java definition and also covered the concepts, highlighted concepts in the Java definition. We talked about execution system, which makes Java an independent platform, independent language, and also the principles of a creation of Java, and also the philosophy, which is object orientation, platform independency and dynamic capabilities. In this video we'll talk about its power, basically what you can do with the tools, frameworks, technologies available for this language. It's very important for any programmer who wants to make career in programming. So let's begin. Java is a general purpose language. Along with it, it is a platform independent, easy to use, open source, easy to learn, and also high performance language. Due to these advantages, it is used in a wide range of application development. So to start with, there are a lot of, but I will list down 8, which is mobile application or Internet of Things, cloud applications, web applications, chatbot development, game development, enterprise application development, and scientific application development. Java not only supports all this domain of development, but also there are more, but there are some which I have listed, and I will go through some of the frameworks available in each development. Let's start with app. So in the app section, app development section, of course, the huge Android Studio, which is used to develop mobile application for the Android OS, which is created by Google, and also multi-OS engine to develop multi-platform apps with Java. And web development, there are various frameworks available, which include Spring, GRAILS, GWT, JSF, which is Java Server Faces. We have STRUTS, we have HIBERNATE. So all these frameworks can be used for web development with Java. Game development, we have libjdx, JMonkey Engine, lightweight Java game library, Slick 2D, and the many more. If you really want to go into game development with Java, there's a lot of scope ahead. So in terms of IoT development, there are various frameworks available, which include Device.io, Tripcast and ThinkSpeak, and they all are good for IoT development with Java. And in terms of the cloud applications development, there is Oracle Java Cloud Service, which is the owner of Java, and we have Java on AWS, Google App Engine, Cloud Foundry. You can use these frameworks to build cloud-based application. And yeah, these are the most famous Java applications in the world. As you know, NASA Whirlwind is a web app, and which you can see the Whirlwind. Minecraft is world famous game. Spotify, music player, Netflix, streaming platform, Android and OS is built with Java. Uber, LinkedIn, Amazon, all these multinational worldwide use applications have been built with Java. So there is a lot of power in its entire ecosystem. So do check the market video which is coming next. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you up in the next video.